Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike. It is Wednesday, the 30th of August. This is your daily recap. So, after yesterday's big vertical move up in the markets, we had a little bit of continuation, but mostly a fairly choppy day. You can see here we started off with a rip. Again, it gave that all back in 15 minutes, put a new high, then came back down. And overall, we held in just fine, just a little bit choppy here as we're staring at that gap at 453.52, which is not far away. Volume here is less than yesterday, and with 15 minutes to go, not going to take that out for sure. You can see the oscillators now have gone from these big oversold. We're just starting to touch on a slightly overbought here. Not a big deal yet or anything to worry about, but overall, not bad price action ahead of PCE tomorrow. We did have data today. We had the JOLTS jobs number, which it came in. No, yes, that was yesterday. Sorry, we had GDP today, and GDP came in less worse than expected. The market liked that. What else? SMHs here continue to be stronger. NVIDIA very strong again earlier today, leading that, almost put a new all-time high in. We talked this morning of names to focus on. We talked about Tesla over the 50-day, back below it here, but jumped it nicely and maintained above it for a while and gave a really nice trade if you grabbed it as it broke above that opening high here. We talked about Apple going for that gap after yesterday's big candle. I traded Apple today, made nice money on it, broke that opening candle, gave it a big push, held in well and right near the highs here. And it's just on this gap here at 187.38. You got a nice little gap there, a couple buck gap to fill up to the 190 area. So, eyes continue on that. We talked about NVIDIA for a new day, pushed up, hit here on some news that they won't be able to sell their AI chips in the Middle East on fears that they'll be giving them to China, but overall held in. Bottom line is the market held in well today. Google just missed putting a new all-time high in. And when you look at what else was going on out there, we had flow early on Boeing and CAT. Both of those had nice moves, or both of them came off the highs. And generally, breadth was fairly okay today. It wasn't a trend day, but only about plus 600 on the New York Stock Exchange. But overall, not a bad day here in the markets, and we held in ahead of tomorrow. Uber also decided to make a showing today. Nice little push on that after being quiet for a while. Big candle there. Mark picked that up on the room early. Good call there. Palantir came roaring back to life today. Nice move on that one. Affirm continues to push off earnings, taking out the range high. And in general, the market's holding in fine. Energy didn't do much today. Financials were very quiet today. Where's my hand? There it goes. Wrong placement on the keyboard, guys. Sorry about that. J&J also today got hit. Didn't do that much with it. They guided down for the year, so not much going on there. Tonight we have Crowd, we have Salesforce, we have Chewy, and then tomorrow night we have some other bigger names as well. So we'll see what we get here. Again, it's the last 2 days of August. Tomorrow's the last day. Friday is the going into the holiday weekend. So after PCE tomorrow, non-farm payroll on Friday, but I expected most days for the rest of the week to be pretty quiet, like this one. I'll catch you guys live tomorrow morning at 9. Everybody have a great evening.